Are you not an English native speaker and you do daily activities like writing, reading, skipping, drawing, painting, but you don't understand what are these? Then don't worry. In this video, we will be learning 50 common action verbs with sentences and pictures. Hug. He is hugging his mother. Tickle. My little brother likes to tickle me. Help. She is helping his friend. Plant. They are planting a tree. Cry. He is crying. Jump. He is jumping. Cross. Children are crossing the road. Paint. He is painting a picture. Yawn. He is yawning because he is sleepy. Play. She is playing with her friends. Give. She is giving flowers to her teacher. Clean. She is cleaning the floor. Cut. He is cutting the paper. Capture. He is capturing a bug. Drag. He is dragging a waste bag. Skip. They are skipping the ropes. Kick. He is kicking the ball. Sniff. She is sniffing the floors. Drive. He is driving a car. Work. He is working hard at the office. Share. He is sharing his toys with his friend. Enjoy. They are enjoying at the party. Chase. The policeman is chasing the thief. Stitch. She is stitching the cloths. Gargle. He is gargling the water in his mouth. Talk. He is talking with his friend. Murmur. He is murmuring in his friend's ear. Skate. The boy is skating. Scratch. The beast is scratching the carpet. Push. The man is pushing the car. Find. Boy is finding the clues. Participate. He is participating in the class. Fight. The kids are fighting.